My name is Mike Mikus, and I've been volunteering here at AID for just completed 3 years. If you want to give back, it's a great place to come because you will be given so much joy because the people here are so grateful. They're fun to be around. They are always welcoming. They make you feel like you're at home. They're all my buddies. My volunteering here, I feel helps people to get a paycheck, and no matter what their paychecks are, and I have no idea what they are, but I believe they do vary, and so no matter how little they are or how much they are, they always enjoy payday and getting that pay stub. And for me to know that that's happening and that I'm contributing to that is a true joy.